My dear friends have come by to visit. She's not being very close today. Hi, sweetie. You're not going to come over and say hi? Huh? Yes, you're very beautiful today. Lately, they've become very shy. I think they've forgotten me because I went a long time before I was out here. I neglected to come out here for months. Hi, sweetie. Where's your other friends? Huh? Where's your other friends? I'm sorry I didn't bring you treats today, but you could still come up and visit. You want to still come up and visit? Sorry, I lost track. There it is. You want to still come up and visit today? Oh, there's a little one there. Oh, beautiful. Mama must be proud. Yes, you got a young one, sweetie. That was beautiful. You have a young one. Oh, it doesn't get any more adorable than this. I think she's right in there. Sorry if I'm not videotaping her. Hi, sweetie. Yes, you want to come up and visit today? You want to show me your cute little young one? Very beautiful. Well, it looks like I have a blessed day today. I feel bad I didn't bring you any treats today. Can you come up and still see me, sweetie? Oh, they're right there. Oh. Looks like they're all in this area. They're kind of running by, but I don't blame you. You don't remember me. They used to always come up to me. Always. But this is a blessing, you having this sweetie this close to me today. Yes. You got some beautiful young ones, sweetie. Is Mama proud? You must be proud, sweetie. Yes. Oh, you're just gorgeous in that thick brush over there. There could be some more over there. I'm just not seeing them. Where'd you go, sweetie? There you are. Can't you come down here and say hi to my friends for me? That's okay. This is very close. Anytime I see you guys like this, it's a blessing from the Great Spirit. Did you know that we're all connected? Yes, we are. We're connected, sweetie. Just like you're connected to the creation that's around you. That was a beautiful young one. Hi, sweetie. Can't you come down and see me? Wait a minute, that might be the young one over there. Yes, are you the young one? It's hard for me to tell. I can't see my display screen really well. So I might be filming the adult doe. Oh, sweetie, this is a young one. Aren't you adorable? Yes, you are. I'd give anything to pet those ears. Can I come over there and scratch those ears? Not today? I just like talking baby talk to them. I think they're beautiful. It's just like if you had a beloved pet, dogs and cats, you talk baby talk to them. I wish you'd come down to see me, sweetie. Can you come here? Can you come a little closer? Yes. It would mean so much to me. And I believe that is the young one there. I sort of lose sight. They're just far enough away there in the brush there. The adult doe was there, and I think this is the young one. Well, I'm glad you stayed around to say hi. Yes, you're very beautiful. There you are. Yeah, this must be the young one. She is just cute as a button. Yes, you are. Those ears and the eyes. Oh, yes, you're just special, sweetie. I'm glad you're safe from the hunters out here. I just wish you'd come a little closer, but I guess this will have to do. There could be other ones that have been wanting to come around to this side. They kind of graze around the island here, and they end up in different spots. They could have been sitting down. I heard they graze like this, and then they sit down to chew their cud or to digest what they just ate. Yes, are you grazing, sweetie? Well, I'm sorry I didn't bring you an apple, but it looks like you got lots to eat there. Things are going to be harder to find this winter when they graze out here. Gets a little tough on them. Oops, I'm losing track of her again. Oh, there she is, see. It's hard to see. They really blend into the foliage. How about just one hug? One hug? Can you come over so I can give you a little hug? You're just adorable. Yes, you are. Still filming my young little deer here. Just hoping she would come a little closer. Yes, can you come down here and say hi? Huh? Can you come over? Didn't want to make the videos too long, so I started another clip. Now this is what I'm talking about, people. When you're having hopelessness and negativity in your life, come out here in the forest like this. And none of those things exist out here. You can focus on your spirituality and identify with your own existence on this world. We're all important, as well as these deer and the trees around them. Yes, there's a big creation connection that people need to start knowing. Yes, they do. I just love it when you guys come a little close like this. Isn't it beautiful? One of the many beautiful examples of creation that I've been talking about. Oops, they're being spooked off. They were looking at something over here, which I don't see. And they just ran back. There's an open field over here. Okay. They're kind of congregating back here. Yes, you're beautiful, sweetie. Oh, there's two of them. Oh, this is adorable. Look at this. Mama and baby next to each other. Oh, you're just beautiful, both of you. Gonna have to make a picture of this. Doesn't get any more cute than this. Are you protecting your little young one? Now that was adorable. I'm gonna have to get a picture off that, a still shot off that clip, on this clip. I was down here and they got spooked. Somebody, there's a lot of people that like to walk along this top ridge here, and somebody came by, so that's what spooked her. But it's good to see people out here enjoying nature like I am. They could be heading to the open field here where they seem to gather. I think I'll walk over to that field from here, and maybe she'll come back up to me. I'm kind of out here in the thick of things now. I'm just happy I ran into that mother and that young one. I love this. I love this. This is the open field. I call it a gathering place because the deer seem to pick this field to gather, probably socialize and so forth and so on. Oh, FYI, I found one mosquito. It didn't bite me, but evidently they're not quite wiped out yet. They need some more colder spells. But they're not bad like they could be. Oh, hi, sweetie. My spirit animal guide, the hawk. Oh, thank you, sweetie. Oh. I tell you, there's my spiritual sign that I tried to tell people. Everybody has a spirit animal guide. Mine is a hawk. And it showed up. I didn't get a chance to film them too closely for you. I hope I got them on camera. But I kind of spooked him as he was flying over me. I lifted my camera up to film him. So hopefully I was able to share that with you guys. I think my journey is complete out here now for my spiritual energizing meditation. It's definitely a blessing for me when they come over, when I need to show people the connection of nature we have and the creation of all things. And I believe this is sort of center on the island. It's a little further north. It's a wonderful spot. I always like to sit here and just kind of stand and reflect. I would have gotten a better view of that hawk if I take the camera off the tripod. I got what I call a monopod, and this gives stability. Just came out of the forest out here. This is quite a large open field. I'll lift the camera up for you so you can see. And I'm down here in the thick of things. Well, I guess I'm going to head out. I have some good nature videos to share with you guys, and what better way to top off a spiritual hike is with my spirit animal guide, the hawk. He was right there. Hopefully he'll show himself one more time. I didn't get a chance to videotape him like I wanted to.